This starter kit includes a refillable case and 2 refill pods. The refill pod of Ultimate Swagger takes confidence to the next level with subtle notes of cedarwood and lime that confidently remind you and others to breathe deeply. Reduce. Reuse. Refill. Made with 100% FSC-certified paperboard, the pod features plastic-free packaging. Old Spice Swagger Anti-Perspirant Deodorant helps provide your pits with 48-hour odor protection without plastic waste. Having the necessary tools to care for your hygiene is important, but so is helping take care of the earth. So, hold onto your 100% organic cotton pants because Old Spice is introducing a refillable 48-hour antiperspirant and deodorant that fights sweat and odor, and is Major League eco-friendly. This easy-to-refill, man-grande case of freshness blasts sweat and odor, providing 48-hour odor protection without plastic waste. Old Spice goes on invisible and helps you stay feeling dry and fresh. With a selection of smell-worthy scents, you'll be able to reduce, reuse, and refill again and again. It's eco-friendly because we know you are committed to the earth and to deodorant, but mostly to the earth. Top reviews from the United States. Great option for antiperspirant with less plastic. This refillable Old Spice is working great for me. I love the fact that I can refill it without additional plastic. If I have any complaints, it is only that I wish Old Spice offered unscented refills. But I'll happily use the Swagger scent if it means less plastic waste.